Benaulim Panchayat had not set up MRF facility. That they have now set up, and there was an injunction against them from giving any construction licenses. The High Court has today vacated that injunction and permitted them to grant all construction licenses. So there is some relief for people in Benaulim. As far as village panchayat of Bhati is concerned in Sangem Taluka, there is also a temporary MRF setup, as a result of which the contempt notices which were issued to the panchayat members and their 5 lakhs rupees which was confiscated, that order has been kept in abeyance. Contempt notices have been discharged, so there is some relief as far as Bhati Panchayat is concerned. The third Panchayat was Aldona Panchayat. They were supposed to set up this MRF. According to them, they have already completed the work in the last week, and the Pollution Control Board has inspected, but the Pollution Control Board found there are some deficiencies in that facility. So the Panchayat is supposed to take appropriate steps to do away with those deficiencies, and thereafter the Pollution Control Board is supposed to inspect. And if the Pollution Control Board gives a report that the facility is complete in all respect, then insofar as this Panchayat is also concerned, there will be relief from the High Court.